guys, it's Shyla and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm showing you guys how to create this beautiful sunset smoky eye with a bold lip, and I even added a little bit of a wing, a little action going on. So if you guys would love to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, we're just jumping right into it. So I'm just taking an orange shade from my James Charles palette and I'm just putting that in my crease. I've learned that, packing on the color first and then blending out the edges is just the perfect technique to applying eyeshadows. Just because it just looks so much better. I've always used to be one just regular windshield wiper motions and that was it. But packing on the shade and then blending out the edges, it just changed my makeup game forever. So that's all I'm doing for this shade or this step right now. And then I'm taking a purple shadow and I'm using my flat brush. And I'm basically just packing it onto my lid. And this color is beautiful. The pigmentation is beautiful. I know y'all see that. This made my job easier. No lie, this palette's perfect. Perfect.
I'm so frustrated. I came in today wanting to start
I'm goofy, but I'm still just packing on the purple shadow to get the color payoff that I want. And yeah, then I'm just gonna blend those outer edges. But I lost that clip. Great. But and my lighting's bad, but we're working on it. We're working on it, guys. We really are. I'm just creating a wing right now. But the clip that lost, I did add a magenta shade to help blend out the purple. So that's one thing that it missed out. I'm sorry I couldn't get it back, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So now I'm doing a wing. If you guys want to see a detailed wing eyeliner tutorial, just let me know in the comments down below. And that's really it. I popped my lashes on and I used the Eyelure and Jasmine Brown collaboration. That's in the style JAYBEE. Love those lashes. And then I'm just doing my regular foundation routine. I put a lot of foundation on. I don't know why. I don't know. But y'all know the drill. It's Fenty. Shout out to Rihanna. Love her. And take my Morphe dirty sponge. I need to clean it, but yeah, that's besides the point. But then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer. I love this concealer. This is my holy grail. But if you guys know any new foundations or concealers I need to try and get my hands on, just let me know in the comments section down below. I love getting recommendations and I will review products that you guys want me to review. Just let me know, And then I blend out my concealer and then I'm using my Banana and Banana Deep setting powder for under my eyes. And yeah, I'm just setting all of the places I concealed and highlighted. So I'll have a nice, beautiful brightening effect going on. I'm really mad that that clip really got cut out, but it's all right. We're still pushing. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep, and I'm just setting the rest of my face with that. And then I'm basically just, doing my regular stuff. I'm just bronzing up my skin. using my same TooFaced bronzer, and I went in and basically took the same two shades that I used, the purple and the orange, and went under my lower lash line with that. And then I put mascara on, and I put my NARS Climax mascara on my lower and upper lashes, and then I lined my lips with the Expresso lip liner from NYX. I love this lip liner. It's my favorite. It's my holy grail. I'll probably never ever stop using it, ever. And then I'm using MAC's Ruby Woo. This is the most beautiful pure red I've ever seen in my entire life on a lipstick. Usually when I pick up lipsticks, they're usually like have a little bit more of a purple, a little more brick red type of color, you know. It's usually darker, a little bit more purple, but this one is really beautiful and it's so red. And then I'm taking Velvet Teddy and I'm putting that on top, and it's giving like a nice beautiful like pink fuchsia type of color. And that was really it. This was a very simple tutorial, but thanks guys so much for watching. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And comment down below what you want me to do next and what you guys want to see. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support, and until next time.